Jubab angin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, pen yo ki kubor na ke jylla.
Ha ka arpundu tarik urempang Shillong, u President ka United Democratic Party, bat menteri ka boarding upa Metbah Lingdo, ulakin tai ya ke Jingiapher Jingmut Jingmut hapdeng jong u, bat u MLA ka West Shillong uba Paul Lingdo. Metbah ulaong, bana kaliang jong u amdan kanu ke Jingiapher, bat ulong ubriu uba peit da ke Jingmut ka babha. Ulaong babaro ke Jingiatai hapo ke yang dorbar, kilong banwanra jingmentoy ye kipat ba ke jylla. Ula banjuru ba ke yang dorbar ke di kerensan ke badai banyatai kimat padba hakiwe pat ki jaka padba ngidi kinong yalam kumta ngidi bande kum kinong yalam banshim kimat da ke jingmut ke batai ula
What misunderstanding? And why are you asking that question? I don't have anything I said. I've already spelled out my mind. I'm a very positive person. I cannot say anything, but you seem so I cannot see anything. I can also see something. So I don't look always at a person with a negative mind. When you're asking me that question also, I don't look at you as a negative mind. I always look as a positive mind. Nothing as such, in fact, from my end. I'm very, very open. I'm a very open and very positive person, always in life. I've been able to be like this is because of my positiveness in life. And whatever we discuss inside the house, that contributes to the welfare of the people of the state. I have to always consider it like that. I should not consider the other way around, like what other perceive or what other things like that. So I mentioned today also the floor of the house that all the issues, points noted down and addressed by all the concerned members is being taken note of. So we will take actions accordingly, at the appropriate time. That's all. It's always a constructive thing. So whoever members, unless they have their own bad motives, that's a different thing. I don't have nothing to say. But I don't see all of them. They always share a positive kind of suggestions. Always. So I always think this is the platform. Which platform? We'll go to what? Matran, Police Bajak, Lai Mukra, Yo Lai Mukra, Don Bosco, Yo Laban, and so on. I think that's not the place for us. We are leaders. So we should behave as leaders when we are inside the house. We should always take anything constructive, mind. Always. That is, you take it from me. It's simple as that.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.